Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
High trading fees can quietly eat away at your hard-earned profits, especially if you trade frequently or invest smaller amounts. Think about it. Every dollar saved on commissions directly adds to your investment returns. It truly makes a big difference over time, helping your money grow faster. Choosing an app with low or even zero brokerage fees is a smart financial move, helping you keep more of what you earn. While low fees are a fantastic starting point, an app's usability and features are just as important. You want a platform that feels intuitive, one that's easy to navigate for all your trading needs. Also, ensure it offers the investment types you're interested in, like stocks, options, or ETF. Plus, robust research tools and educational content can truly empower your trading journey, so look for those too. Some popular low brokerage apps excel at simplicity and cost-effectiveness. They often provide commission-free trading for basic investments like stocks and ETFs, a huge benefit for anyone starting out. Their design is usually very clean and intuitive, making it easy to place trades without feeling overwhelmed. If you're new to investing and want a straightforward experience with minimal costs, this type of app could be an excellent choice. On the other hand, some low brokerage apps cater to more experienced traders, offering powerful tools alongside competitive fees. These platforms often boast advanced charting capabilities, in-depth options analysis, and real-time market data. While they might charge small commissions for more complex trades, the value from their comprehensive features often outweighs these minor costs. If you need robust analytics and diverse trading instruments, explore apps in this category. Ultimately, the best low brokerage trading app for you depends entirely on your individual needs. Think about your trading style, your experience level, and the specific assets you plan to invest in. Take the time to explore different apps, perhaps even trying a demo account if available. Finding an app that truly aligns with your goals will make your investing journey much smoother and more enjoyable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.